What is going on, YouTube? My name is Dennis Anthony Jr. and I am back again giving you another video. Okay, if you want to learn how to make passive income in 30 days, you're going to want to stay tuned until the end of this video because I'm going to lay it all out on the line for you. Okay, here we go. Can you make passive income in 30 days? The answer is yes. Can you make passive income in 30 days by selling the wrong products? Yes. So a lot of times when you guys start off in affiliate marketing, you guys are selling the wrong products. You guys are selling one-time offer products where you drive a bunch of traffic to your landing page, you collect emails, you do all the work, you do the Facebook group work, you do the work on Instagram, you do the work making your YouTube videos or your blog posts or however you are generating traffic. And then you send them over to your affiliate offer, but the only problem with your affiliate offer is it's $47 and there's nothing on the back end. So, how do you make passive income? You have to either promote membership sites or you have to promote products that offer a scale up on the back end or some sort of subscription for, a software service that they need to use or some type of coaching plan or mentorship plan where they're going to get charged a reoccurring. So perfect way to look at it is like this. I sign up for Netflix and I pay a monthly fee to Netflix. That is a digital product. So every month that I pay Netflix to get access to what they have. So when you are looking to make passive income, make money in your sleep, do all that sort of stuff, all that cliche, stuff that is thrown out there as far as making money in your sleep, so forth and so forth, you need to promote products that have a membership or a monthly reoccurring charge. That is the way that you are going to make passive income. Also, guys, stop promoting products that are like 10 bucks, okay? Stop promoting products that are like $19. You're going to do the work regardless. So if you're going to put in the work and put in the time for something that's $50, $100, $500, $1,000 commission. Guys, you're going to do the work anyways. If you are very new to internet marketing and affiliate marketing and you want to get started, I have a free report / ebook in the description. Internet Marketing Profits. Check it out, guys. I used to sell it back in the day. It was like $100 when I started selling it. I'm now giving it away for free. Go ahead and go to my website, hustleuntilltheyhate.com, and go ahead and pick up that book. Until next time, guys, stay at it.